Hey there, I just want to make this quick comparison of specs between the Dyson v12 with the Samsung Jack 95 Premium. So the suction power is better for 95 by 60. Then you're gonna have the battery life and motor speed is better for 95 Premium also by 10,000. Then you're gonna have the battery life is similar, charging time similar, filtration efficiency similar. The compartment capacity is better for the 95 there. The weight is also better now for v12. LCD display, you can have both, multi-surface cleaning on both, noise level I don't have it, so don't know which one is better in this regard. Auto mode sensor is on both, and the price is better for v12. Now that's primarily it. Now this was just a really quick specs comparison for if you're looking for which one you want to like purchase and get. So you can see right here for like the suction power, motor speed, for dust compartment capacity is better the Samsung J95, but also the price is higher. So have a great day and goodbye.